Hello and welcome to everyone. This is Femi the Froze and you are watching my channel Agriculture with me. Today I will talk about spinach. Spinach belongs to the family Amaranthaceae. It is cultivated throughout the world. It is a green leafy vegetable and it is native to South Asia. Spinach is also common edible vegetable consumed, either fresh or storage. It is a rich source of vitamins, minerals, magnesium, and keep you safe viruses, bacteria that cause disease. Spinach is also defend your body to either things that hurt you, like toxins, that promises if you keep you healthy no matter what is your age. So don't waste your time, and today I will explain and discuss cultivation of spinach. Let's start the video. Plant spinach seed an inch apart in rows 14-18 inches apart and cover the seed with a half inch of soil. Keep the soil moist and after the seed germinate, thin them to stand 3 to 5 inches apart. Most gardeners like to this is several processes to determine the strongest plant to save. Spinach germinate best at soil temperature below 10 to 12 Celsius. Spinach can be grown successfully on a variety of soils, but a fertile sandy loam high in organic matter is preferred. The use of cover crops and green manure crop is recommended to maintain the soil organic matter. The soil pH should range between 6.4 to 6.8. Better yet, you can let your spinach plants to flower. Enjoy the beautiful spring blooms and collect the seeds for the next season. If maintained properly, your spinach should be ready for the first harvest in about 60 days. 45 to 50 days. Spinach is sown throughout the year for winter season. Best time for sowing is from September to October. For spring season, completing sowing from mid-February to April. Use row to row spacing of 25 to 30 centimeter and plant to plant spacing of 5 to 10 centimeter. Use flood irrigation, a sprinkle, a watering can, a hose pipe or drip irrigation. For a better crop, apply a top dressing about 5 weeks later as spinach needs a lot of nitrogen for good quality broad leaves. Optimum growing temperature is 50 Fahrenheit to 60 Fahrenheit, but young seedlings can tolerate temperature as low as 15 Fahrenheit to 20 Fahrenheit. Try to keep the soil consistently moist because spinach will bolt if the soil dries out. About a week before planting, soak spinach seed in room temperature water for 24 hours. Shift the seeds to an airtight container and keep in cool place for up to a week. The primed seed will retain enough moisture to complete the first two stages of germination. When stored under cool, dry conditions, spinach seed can be expected to remain viable for 6 years. When they first pop out of the soil, baby spinach seedlings will have two long, narrow leaves. The true leaves look like tiny spinach leaves, and it only takes a couple of days of those to start forming after the seed leaves unfurled. If you want to give it a chance to continue growing, be careful not to cut the crown and instead make your cut an inch or two above soil level. If you leave the crown to grow back, you may be able to get 3 to 4 harvests from each plant, depending on your climate and growing conditions. Growing spinach seed is one of the many ways to grow spinach. There are other ways in which you can grow spinach successfully and include growing spinach from cutting. Propagation of water spinach is either by seeds or other cuttings. Sow the seed in clean potting soil, so about zero point 0.5 centimeters deep. Just cut several 30 to 40 centimeter long cuttings from young growth and plant 15 centimeter deep in potting mix. Water spinach can be grown from seed, often soaked for 24 hours before sowing. Your spinach will enjoy full sun to part shade, but it's best to provide some shade while the weather is still hot. Spinach like cooler weather 10 to 25 degrees Celsius is ideal. If you flip a spinach seed packet over and examine the growth requirements, you will find spinach does best when planted in full to partial sun. Full sun refers to 6 or more hours of direct sunlight per day, while partial sun generally means 4 to 6 hours. Spinach tolerate cool weather. Special considerations when growing spinach for seed. Increase spacing to 8 to 12 inches between plants in rows, 22 to 30 inches apart, or to at least 12 inches on center. If you want to grow organically, use fish emulsion or well-rotated manure as soil additives before you plant. A balanced fertilizer works fine for spinach, but something with a bit more nitrogen also works well. We fertilize spinach about every 2 to 3 weeks during the growing season. Once your spinach plants are established, you can use a balanced fertilizer. A fertilizer with a bit more nitrogen might work even better. Something like 10-10-10 ratio is successful, but a 15-10-10 is preferred. Before planting, use a granular fertilizer. Spinach is an annual crop as an annual. Each plant grows for a single season. New plants are grown from seeds at the beginning of the growing season. Perennial, in contrast, dry down to the soil line in fall and regrow from perennial roots each spring. Spinach plants will most likely regrow for two or more harvests. Spinach regenerates leaves from its growing point or the crown of the plant, which is where the stem joins the root system near the soil surface. Within 4 weeks, the leaves should regrow for a second harvest. To grow spinach in pots, choose a wide pot or tub so that you can space out the spinach plants and one that is about 6 to 8 inches deep. Use quality potting mix rich in organic matter. Well drained soil is important for spinach to grow well in pots. Keep the pot in a sunny spot when growing spinach in the fall. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.